Me.
Leadership. So itong 450.
What will you say?
Leadership plan.
Thank you. Say it, baby. Thank you.
Sa 450. Chair.
Ang sabihin ni Mimi?
Po ang DPWH. Fast forward. Paano kung natin ito sa mga posting nila? And then pala, very premature. Hindi pa ito gaan. That's what I don't understand, you know. I cannot also understand why there is already.
What's this?
Kasi
May see?
50% advance payment.
Wow! Think and learn opposite puzzle. Yay!
Kasi ito implementation. Ang left is
Wow!
only the proposal.
Say it, thank you, ate.
Yung insertion
Ano sabi mo?
either
Thank you. Say it, thank you ka na ka, ate.
amendment.
Ate, Lucy.
Actual insertion. Pero
Say it.
that's
Ate, Lucy.
really
Mimi.
within the power or authority of Congress. Correct?
Wait, from Ninong Renzo. Go. You open it. Go, open it.
Ano tawag nyo kanina? Leadership plan.
Open.
Bakit nyo ina-accommodate?
Oh, wow! You have a dress, a new dress. Go, pakita mo. Mimi, pakita mo yung dress mo, new dress. Oh, wow! Ang ganda naman. This one is from Ate Shan. Oh, wow! Look. What's this?
We want to avoid that by
Ano sabihin mo? Thank you, Ate Shan.
should already be in fact. Wala pa tayo sa BICAM. Yes, Your Honor. Paano kapag
Go.
nakikialam mo yung mga legislators sa insertion? And sinong responsible dito? Planning. Your Honor, I think this is what we want to clarify actually. In the
What's that?
preparation of the national expenditure.
Wow!
We consolidate all the requested proposals. For example,
Ano sabihin mo? Thank you, Ninang. Sabi mo, Mimi. Thank you, Ninang. Say it na. Thank you, Ninang, na ikaw. Thank you ka na kanina. Thank you, Ninang. Okay.
Projects that may requested by members of the Senate. This is where
From Ate Lucy.
from all sectors like in the Senate, Congress, and everything.
Mami help you?
So,
Mami help you? Mami help you muna?
the list of
Okay.
projects are all incorporated into the net. Who bets this? Sino nagbe-bet? For debating actually is with the
Wow.
planning service so that it will be consistent with the projects that are being included. Bulacan, nangyayari, nasa NEP pa lang. How could that happen? Or paano makakakuha ng 5 to 15% na national expenditure program pa lamang? Hindi ko na ma-reconcile sa mga computation nila na meron ng nakapactory na ba yung 5 to 15% sa net pa lang. May halaga na yun, di ba, sa budget? Please. Your Honor, I want them to actually the arrangements that are being made of hindi ba si Yusek eh? Yusek for operation. Your Honor, I think in the NEP is just the listing of the project.
Here, maybe me.
Budget proposal, Your Honor. So paano nakapag-present yung mga legislator sa budget proposal pa lang? Wala pa sa authority.
Ano ito? Tawag ka. Ano yun?
go.
Dili na, go na. Brum, brum. Brum, dili, go, 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 go.
Hawak mo. Nagsasulot.
Pamasahe ko daw.
Bayad po.
Bayad.
Bayad.
Ginawa manibili. Ginawa niya manibili. Ay, nag-touchscreen ka pa. Ano yung cellphone?
Ang galing. Ang galing ah.
Lagot ka.
Dali, touch mo.
Saan? Anong channel gusto mo? Ano? Ricardo? Wala. Wala, lagot ka. Binago mo.
Dali na, bago mo.
Lo. Wala, lagot, lagot. Iniba mo.
Palakpakan. Palakpakan.
Piniyak ka.
Huwag na, tama na yan. Mamaya na. Mamaya na ako maligo. Kasi may bata tayo. Sandali, sandali. Sandali na ka, sandali lang. Ha? Dali lang. Ano pong
Walang ilaw? Ano?
Video? Naka-video ka na ba? Naka-video ka na?
Another.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
One more time.
Happy birthday, Mio. Happy birthday, Miho. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mio.
One more time. Happy birthday. Okay, go, blow.
Happy
One, two, three, go.
Ha?
More.
Lakasan mo.
More.
One, two, three, go.
More.
Ay!
Hindi na. One, two, three, go.
Hindi naman kasi cake eh. Kasabak cake.
One, two, three, go.
Yay! Madaya. O, meron pa.
Yay! Happy birthday!
Kunin natin sa tayo yan eh.
O, sige na. One, two.
Binigyan na namin pala yung ano, Mark. Binigyan na namin sila.
Ikaw. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Saya! Pingat! Pingat! Pingat!
Rock, paper, rock, scissor, paper.
Ganun na.
Rock, paper, scissor.
Paper, scissor. Rock, paper, scissor.
Rock, ikaw, rock. Tayo mama.
Ulit-ulit na. Hindi ko na ano.
Yung sauce, kung wala na.
Rock, paper, scissor. Rock, paper, scissor. Ay, talo!
Happy birthday, Mio. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mio. Happy birthday, Mio. Happy birthday, Mio. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mio. Blow!
Padaanin mo sila dyan. Baba.
Hindi kami dito dahil wala pa ni Coco.
Go!
Yung bakod lang.
Go na, game, game.
Kaya, nitong susunod.
Mimi.
Pero gabi, doon kami sa bahay.
Hi, hi, hi. Hello. Happy birthday, Mia!
Happy birthday, Miho!
Pinanas mo lang sa likod mo. Ano yun?
Hindi na lang, tante.